We're entering a new era of AI, one that's moving faster than ever. Entire teams are being replaced by AI powered agents, and the way we create, work, and do business is about to change forever. Every few months, AI tools become smarter, faster, and more powerful. The world isn't slowing down, and if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. But here's the good news, massive opportunities are opening up for those who know where to look. In this video, I'll break down 5 of the biggest ways you can make money with AI in 2025, even with zero experience right now. Let's dive in. And before jumping into AI opportunities, you need to focus on a specific niche. The mistake most people make, trying to do everything at once. Instead, ask yourself, what industries interest me? What skills do I already have? Where do I see long-term demand? The biggest opportunities lie in high growth industries. Look at the market caps. The larger the market, the more money to be made. Even giants like Facebook and Amazon started small. Facebook was originally for Ivy League university students only. And Amazon sold books. The key, start a niche and then expand. Now that we have a niche, let's go through the 5 biggest opportunities to make money with AI this year. The first one on the list is AI powered agents. AI agents are the next big thing.
AI agents.
Agents are emerging as
Agents are the thing everyone is talking about.
More AI agents.
The opportunity for agents is gigantic.
If AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini are the brain, AI agents are like the body. They don't just analyze, they act. Businesses are desperate for automation, and AI agents can handle tasks like job application, sales and marketing, even analytics and finance. You can build an agent that scans resumes and applies for jobs automatically. Or you can build an AI agent that tracks profitable customer and predicts revenues. Even if you don't know how to code, you can build AI agents using platforms like Crew AI. Businesses are actively looking for solutions, and if you can provide them, you'll never run out of clients. Next on the list is AI powered translation services. The biggest brands aren't limited to one country, they go global. Think Tesla, Coca-Cola, or Nike. They dominate because they speak to the world. Mr. Beast, he dubs his video in multiple languages. And Apple website adapts to different regions. But most businesses haven't caught up yet. That's where you come in. Tools like 11 Labs can automatically translate and dub content. By offering AI-powered translations, you can help businesses expand globally, and they'll happily pay you for it. Next on the list is AI-driven podcast services. Podcasting is one of the fastest growing industries. It's expected to jump from 36 billion to 134 billion in just a few years. AI can help anyone start a podcast without recording a single word. There are 2 major ways you can tap into this market. First one, voice cloning. Convert blog posts or newsletter into spoken audio. Again, this can be done using 11 Labs or any text-to-speech software. Next, short form clips. Use Opus AI to transform long podcasts into viral social media snippets. Most content creators do not know how to do this, which means you can offer it as a service and cash in. Next, AI powered data visualization. Data is everywhere, but most people do not know how to make sense of it. That's why companies spend millions on making complex information easy to understand. Infographics, charts, and AI driven visualizations are high in demand because they go viral on social media. Boost SEO by generating backlinks. Increase sales by simplifying complex ideas. AI tools like PictoCharts make creating stunning visualizations easier than ever. If you can help businesses present data better, they'll line up to pay you. Next one on the list is AI website building. AI has made website creation faster than ever. But here's the catch. Most businesses do not know how to use these tools. That's where you come in. Platforms like 10web allow you to generate professional websites in minutes. But businesses either don't know these tools exist or don't have time to learn them. Offer to build AI generated website for newly formed businesses. And upsell SEO and content creation. This is easy money if you've positioned yourself right. And the most important step, getting clients. But how do you find customers? One of the best ways to get clients today, Crunchbase. This site lists recently funded startups. Companies with fresh money and a desperate need to grow fast. These businesses need automation, websites, translations, and content creation. If you position yourself as a solution, they'll pay you well.